If you own a Kia or Hyundai vehicle and you want to change the wiper blades in your car, but the wiper arms are under the hood like this, how do you change them? And what about the cabin filter? Can you change it yourself or should you have the dealer do it? Well, another question is, what does the cabin filter look like after 3.5 years and 113,000 kilometers of driving? Well, if you want to find out, stick around, I'll show you in a few seconds. Just so you know, this isn't a sponsored video. I bought these with my money. These were bought at Costco. This was bought on Amazon. I'll have links for both of these things down in the description below. These are for the Kia EV6. If you've seen the Kia EV6 Hidden Features Part 2 video that I posted not too long ago, then you might have seen how this trick is done. But for those who haven't seen that video, and by the way, I'll have links for that other video up here on the screen for you to check out after, let me show you how it's done. It's really easy. You start by powering on the car completely. Once the car is powered on, you actually power it back off and then quickly pull and hold the wiper arm upwards and the wipers go up. Now that the wiper arms are up, it's actually really easy. It's like many other cars. You just pull the wiper arm forward. Now these are already changed. I did these last year, but you've got this little tab underneath that you have to pull downwards slightly and then just pull to remove. Once that's done, take your new wiper and insert it into this little U part like this, making sure that it fully clicks in. Once it's on, put it down, and you're done. One quick note is once these are on, then you have these little plastic tabs that are on the bottom and on the top of the wiper. You just have to pull them off, and then that's it. Now this one is quite easy because you've got it right in front of your face. But what about this other one on the passenger side? Well, it's pretty long, and it's a little bit stretched out of the way. Well, you have to put the wiper arms down to get the other one more easily from the other side of the car. How do you put the wiper arms back down? Let me show you. To put the wiper arms down, you press the power button to turn the car on, but then you'll notice that the wiper arms, they stay up. How do you put them down? It's actually quite easy. Just flip the wiper lever once, and away they go. The cabin filter is something that dealerships like to charge you for, but they charge you quite a bit of money to do it, and they charge you a lot of money for the filter. This is something you can buy on Amazon, and like I mentioned, I'll have links in the description below for the stuff that I bought. And it's something that's right under the hood that you can change yourself in 5 minutes. So let me show you where that is and show you how to install it. The hood was open because it's under the hood right here, but hidden in the frunk. So you have to pop up in your frunk, and if you got junk in it, like I do, you're gonna have to remove these things and set them aside. Once that's done, then you've got this cover here, but you need to remove this little rubber carpet thingy, and then pull on the back, and then pull on the front to remove the cover. You have to give it a good tug. Once that's done, it's hidden all the way back here, and there's little tabs right here that you squeeze with 2 fingers. If I can get in there and show you while it's being filmed, then you open it like a door and then pull away slightly because it's being held by this little thingy here. You know, make sure you pull it outwards, sideways that way because you don't want to break this tab. Set that aside. And now the cabin filter is in there. What does it look like after 3.5 years and 113,000 kilometers of driving? Because I've never changed it because I'm lazy. Well, we're about to find out. One thing to note is you'll see this little airflow arrow. It says airflow, it's pointing down. It's going to be important that on the replacement filter, you put the arrow pointing down as well. So let's pop this open. Right now, get out of there. Wow, that looks pretty filthy. If there were leaves on top, and that's why I'm kind of peeking to look underneath, so that none of the junk falls into the fan that's underneath it. And here we go. So what does this look like? Well, it was gray because it was a carbon filter thingy, so it doesn't look too terrible. And considering that I've driven in some dirt roads and a lot of other junky places, just a lot of bugs and a lot of dust, but it's due. Honestly, this is something that you should be changing once a year. I would say change it in the spring. Don't wait till the fall like me, or don't wait 3.5 years like me. And stick in the new filter every year. It's cheap. It's like 25 bucks Canadian or something. So let me show you the new one. Now this was, like I said, about $25. It's made in China, so they say airflow with the arrow pointing up, but the airflow has to point down like the original said, meaning that all of your writing is going to be upside down. Now this is a carbon filter, pretty much like the original. And to put it back in, it just line it up in the same spot, and it's a perfect fit. It slides back in, and then you have to put the cover back on. Now, this is where the tab goes into this slot from this side. So we'll take this here and make sure the tab goes in like that, all the way, and then push it closed. Once that's done, just reinstall the covers and your air filter is changed, and it costs you 25 bucks, not a dealer visit. You can do it yourself. Like you just saw, this is something that anybody can do. It'll take you 5 minutes to change your wipers and 5 minutes to change your cabin air filter. Don't pay a dealership to do this, please. It's something that's easy, cheap, and those parts, you don't pay twice, 3 times, 4 times the price when you buy them from either Costco or Amazon or wherever you want to buy them, as long as you buy quality products that are compatible. Like I said, I'll have links for that in the bottom. Now, David and I have social media and stuff that we would really appreciate if you could check out. If you could share this video in places that make sense, that would also be really cool for us. And please, click that thumbs up to tell us you like what we do. And if you click that subscribe button, both David and I are super happy. So, thank you for taking the time to watch our video.